I get up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Good morning, sweetheart. Why are you so sleepy?
Good morning, Mom. I didn't sleep well.
Okay, eat your breakfast first. You need energy.
Yes, Mom. After school, I need to go to the stationery shop.
What do you need from there?
I need notebooks and pens for my project.
All right, don't forget anything. Make a list.
Yes, I already made one. After that, I'll go to the grocery shop too.
Grocery shop? What will you buy?
Bread, milk, and some fruits.
Teacher told us to. Bring fruits tomorrow. Good. Be careful while going and come back. On time.
Okay, Mom, I'll go to school first. Then grocery shop.
Perfect. Now finish your breakfast quickly.
Yes, Mom. I got ready for school. I got ready for school.
Good morning, everyone. Sit down.
Good morning, sir.
So, who has completed the homework? Be honest.
Sir, actually, I had tuition and didn't get time.
Tuition is not an excuse. You must manage your time.
Sir, I tried, but the last question was too difficult.
Then you should at least attempt it. Learning comes from trying.
Sir, I forgot my notebook at home.
This is not acceptable. You guys are in high school now?
Sorry, sir.
Good. I want everyone to submit it tomorrow. No excuses. Also remember, discipline and consistency are very important for your future. All right, let's begin with the new chapter.
Can I go to the washroom?
Sure, go ahead.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I need some stationery, items for school.
Okay, how many notebooks do you want?
Give me 3 notebooks, please.
Here you go. Do you want ruled or plain?
Ruled notebooks, please.
And what kind of pens? Blue or black?
Both. Give me 2 blue pens and 1 black pen.
All right, anything else?
Yes, I also need geometry box.
All right, anything else?
Yes, I also need a geometry box.
Here is a good quality one.
How much is it?
It costs $5.
Okay, I'll take it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $10.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. Thank you. I just picked up some fruits and vegetables. Can you check these out for me?
Sure, that looks like a healthy basket.
Yes, my mom told me to buy fresh stuff.
That's great. Fresh food is always better.
Are these apples fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning. Your total is 12 was after discount.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Mom, I am back.
Great, now go finish your project.
Okay.
Dinner is ready.
This tastes amazing.
Thanks, dear. After this, you both have to got bed.
Okay, Mom.
I went to bed. I went to bed.